So in this video we're going to be unboxing the Umidigi Bison. So let's start the unboxing. So this phone goes at about 200 Canadian dollars. So it's a budget phone, and but it has some pretty decent specs, which makes it kind of worth, I think. We're gonna see. So there you go, Umidigi. So the CPU is Helio P60, Android 10, 6 GB RAM, 128 ROM. You can add a micro SD card and also 2 SIM cards. Well, it's 2 SIM cards or a SIM card and a micro SD card. So 5000 mAh battery, 1080p display, and it has 4 cameras, I think. Yeah, 4 cameras and one front 24 megapixel camera. And it contains the phone, a power adapter, a USB cable, and a phone case. And there's the phone. So this is a pretty heavy phone. So here we have the specs: 5000 mAh battery, 6.3 inch display, and there's NFC also, because most of these budget Chinese phones don't have NFC, which is pretty good. There's a Sony camera, IP68 rating and IP69K, I don't know what that is. Maybe it's shockproof, yeah, because this is a pretty, seems like it could resist some falls. So yeah. 2 independent customizable buttons, push to talk and underwater camera. So not sure what that is, but apparently you can push to talk. So on the side we have volume up and down, and we have some screws, and we have also another button here. Not sure what it does. Let me see. No, it doesn't say anything. Here we can see designed by Umidigi, 48 megapixels, and we have 4 cameras. So nano SIM card. Okay. Oh, here's the fingerprint sensor. The SD card, you can actually remove it without the SIM card tool. There you go. Let's put it back in. And yeah, there's also a PTT SOS button, so an SOS button if you need to send an SOS. And okay, this button here that was next to the power button, it's a customizable button. So here's the charging brick. It's an 18-watt charger. So here we have the charging cable. It's a red one. Here's the manual guide. Okay, so I think that this case needs to be removed with the screws that are here. So it's screwed onto the phone. If you want to remove it, you have to remove the screws. And there you go. As you can see here, there's a screen protector. Alright, so the back is pretty nice. It's plastic, but seems good. So as you can see, there's a pretty big bezel here and on the bottom. And yeah, let's start. Alright, let's just skip for now. Skip. Continue. So it seems pretty responsive. Alright, let's add a screen lock to try the fingerprint scanner. Let's add 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, next. So, wait. The fingerprint scanner is on the left. Why is the fingerprint scanner on the left? It's supposed to be here. Alright, well, okay. Well, I guess if you use your phone like this and you just put your finger here, yeah, it would make sense. Alright, so I added this finger. We'll try that. And there we go, we're in. So it seems pretty responsive. No problem. Alright, let's try the fingerprint. There you go.
So as you can see, the fingerprint is not instant, but in my opinion it's good enough.
So here there's a smart key, which is the key on this side. I'm not sure how to change the key on this side. When you press this key, it brings up Zello, which I'm not sure what that is. But yeah, for now let's just see this one. So we have a single click, double click, and long press. So single click, you can do like a screenshot. Let's try screenshot. See, you just press it once and it takes a screenshot. You can also make it open an application. Let's say you want to open, I don't know, let's open Chrome. You press it once and Chrome opens. So that's pretty nice. Boom, Chrome. So double click screenshot. You can also change to whatever you want. And long press flashlight. And there you go, the flashlight opens. And let's turn it off. Alright, let's try playing a game to see like the graphics performance. Also, I should mention there's a headphone jack on this phone, in case you needed to know that. So yeah, let's try this game to see how well it works. So far it seems pretty good. Yeah, there's no problem. But this isn't a very demanding game. Alright, so let's run CPU benchmark. So here's the result, 291 and 1419 multi-core score.
Alright, now let's check out the camera quality.
Alright, let's try a no copyright music. So 1080p. So overall, this is a pretty good phone, packed with a lot of features, and for $200 I don't think you can find anything better. So thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video.